Welcome to another session of Ebenezer GATE coaching classes. This is a problem that appeared in GATE 2008. It is a multiple choice question for 1 mark. The following limiter circuit, an input voltage Vi equal to 10 sine 100 pi t is applied. Assume that the diode drop is 0.7 volt when it is forward biased. When it is forward biased, the zero breakdown voltage is 6.8 volts. The maximum and minimum input values of the output voltage are respectively are. There are 4 choices given. We'll have to find out what is the correct choice. Now we are given that the input is Vi equal to 10 sine 100 pi t. Now input, if I draw the input, it will be the maximum value of the input is 10 volt, the minimum value of the input is minus 10. Now we have 2 diodes D1 and D2 and a Zener diode Z. Now during the positive half cycle, D1 will be forward bias and D2 will be reverse bias. Now let us find out what happens during the positive half cycle. So the zero breakdown voltage is given as 6.8 volts. So the drop across the Zener VZ during the positive half cycle will be 6.8 volts, and the drop across the diode will be VD1 will be 0.7 volts. So during the positive half cycle, when the voltage exceeds 6.8 plus 0.7, the output voltage is fixed at 6. Vz plus Vd1 will be the output voltage, and that is going to be 7.5 volts. So beyond 7.5 volts, the output remains at 7.5. Below 7.5 volts, the Zener will not be in breakdown, and the output is going there. D2 is also reverse bias, and then Zener will not enter into breakdown, so there won't be any current that flows through D1 also, and V0 will be equal to Vi. So the maximum value till Vi crosses 7.5 volts, the output will be less than 7.5 volts, that will be equal to Vi, and once it crosses 7.5 volts, the output is clamped to 7.5 volts. So the maximum output voltage is going to be 7.5 volts. When it exceeds beyond 7.5, the output is clamped to 7.5 volts. Now during the reverse negative half cycle of this input signal, what happens is D2 is forward bias and D1 is reverse bias, so no current will flow through D1, current will flow only through D2, and since during the first, when it is forward bias, the voltage across the diode D2 is going to be 0.7, so it will be clamped to 0.7. So negative 0.7 will be the minimum voltage of the output. So V0 maximum is going to be 7.5, and V0 minimum will be during the negative half cycle, and it will be minus 0.7 volts. So the answer is 7.5 volt, minus 0.7 volt. The option C. Thank you. God bless you.